second, and the race is on. Place 2 jumps quick out of the gate, rushing up Ali Dancer, and on the further outside is Master King running by the rail. It's a Lemon, Midnight King, while Buds of Honor is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, 2 entries fighting it out for the lead. Ali Dancer is racing by the rail. On the outside is Master King, and running in third by some 5 lengths, It's a Lemon. Place 2 rushing up from the outside by the run, Midnight King, and Buds of Honor is still running at the tail of the field, working towards the back. Master King from the outside, running by the run, Ali Dancer, and running in third by some 5 lengths, Place 2 by the run, It's a Lemon, and Midnight King. Passing the half-mile post, Ali Dancer regains the lead from Master King, and running third by some 5 lengths, Midnight King by the run, It's a Lemon, Place 2, and Buds of Honor. And rounding the far turn, it's still Ali Dancer by a leg, and on the outside once again is Master King, and getting closer in third by some 4 lengths, It's a Lemon, Midnight King, Place 2. As the race the final corner, Ali Dancer this time by a length and a half. Master King is on the outside, and moving up down on the inside, It's a Lemon, Place 2, and nearing the last 100 is still Ali Dancer by some 2 lengths now, and nearing the finish line, it's a back-to-back win for Dominador on Red Bobby Jr. on Ali Dancer. Master King, It's a Lemon, Midnight King.
It's official. 5612 sa quartet 8340, trifecta 561 3620, forecast na 56 1050. So win 10 pesos sa plus at balik lang. Plus na sa is 750. Daily double combination 35 12 pesos. DD plus 1 135.